Good morning. This is day number 7. So we are now in Pagudpud area near Hana's Resort. Alright, so this is the place that we stayed overnight. This place cost around 3K per night and it can sleep 4 people. But it's a low season and there's nobody here. They gave it to us for around 1.5. So this is our place. Our gear is just hanging over there. It's a homestay. And my bike is right over there. I like to cover it up overnight. So, and that's your view.
After 7 days of riding in the mountains, we finally reached Ilocos Norte. The plan is to head south and ride the coast back to La Union and finally to Pangasinan. Alright, so here's a recap. This morning as we were leaving Blue Lagoon, we kind of explored a little bit of the town, and what happened is that JR started to feel different on his bike. No power, engine is low power. Oh, baka the mechanic ko dito nangato pa yung bangir. We're waiting for the towing guy to show up with a tricycle. They basically gonna pull us up in the mountain. This is day number 6, I think, or day number 7, and you know, it's our first mechanical issue. We had to push it and tow it up here. I guess where the nearest mechanic is, and we rented a tricycle just to tow the motorcycle. You're moving now. We're moving. Yep. We're towing them to the mechanic and see what they'll find. And it turned out that it was the clutch lining that was the issue. So it's not biting anymore and it keeps turning. But this guy is fixing it now. We had to get parts at the town, which is like around 13 kilometers away. In Pagudpud, our lining went pudpud.
Alright, Pagudpud, and my bike
Napagod.
napagod pa, pudpud ang clutch lining.
We're just waiting for it now. We got the parts, so we're gonna head out to Tulawag. Gotta do my laundry, gotta find a place to stay tonight. It's past 12 already. We're probably gonna have lunch soon.
Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. And little darling,
No more rain. Rainbow is out.
here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright.
And this is where we park our motorcycle here in some place. It's called Casa Sarmiento Travelers Inn. Park the bikes here, and our room is just here. This thing and kitchen. Oh, nope, that's locked. Maybe this one. Okay, fancy with the door. Usually we don't have a door. This is like a whole upgrade. And a shower. Maybe that one works. That one's for sure works. With a flusher and a seat cover. Usually places like this don't come with a seat cover. I got my XT225 SEROW fixed, so she's good to go. No more pushing, hopefully. And we just gotta change oil tomorrow morning, and hopefully we get to play in the sand dunes and ride around that place. So that's that for today. We are out. Back on the road, baby. Today is day number 7. This is Fort Ilocandia. Good morning. We are in Ilocos Norte outside Lawag City. I think the cheapest rate here is around 8K. It's a high-end place compared to what you can get outside. And today we're gonna go try to ride the sand dunes. We're gonna see if our bikes can make it, and at the same time just have fun, taking it easy, a little bit of off-road. Air down at the shade, and then we're gonna try to go over there.
Huh?
You should try it.
Yeah, it's okay. I'm done.
Come on, man, bring your bike.
No, I got a problem with my knee.
Just take it back. Alright, we are now in Paoay. So this place is very, very old. I don't know what to say. Dude, how is it?
Yeah. Looks like empanada pa rin.
Empanada.
Empanada.
This is empanada from Paoay.
Paoay, yeah.
So that's what it looks like.
Double longanizo.
Oh, it's crispy. Longanisa tastes good. It's salty, but has the right type of salt. Every single town has their own type of empanada. So like vegan has their own type. Up here in the north has their own type. From here on out, it's gonna be a food tour.
Yeah. As of now,
Oh, look at this. It's coming.
the beautiful
Whoa.
sales lady in Paoay.
Hello po.
No, sorry, the manager.
It looks like halo halo, but Mix with stuff.
Here,
Cooler?
the Ilocano.
Ilocos cooler. Trying to get coffee. This is not the best route to get some coffee. You gotta go down now.
Yeah?
Yeah, I don't see any. We found the steps. Oh no, that side is coming in. Oh no, that side is coming in. This is day number 8. We got here last night around dinner time. Good thing we asked one of the tricycle drivers and he gave us a hint about a place, so we went there and took it, and it came out pretty good. It's cost around 1,000 pesos per head. This is the place that we stayed at. It's a transient place. We have here a beachfront resto place. I'm trying to dry up my boots. And you got like a safe parking for the motor over there. The room looks like this for 2. It's big, spacious with AC. Bathroom for today with a shower in the back. So that concludes day number 8. We're going back to Pangasinan. We got our coffee finally. Long ass day. Yeah, you got yours?
Yeah.
All right.
It's a cold brew latte.
The road trip officially ended in coffee place. Do you want to end it here or you want to?
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
We're gonna continue this trip maybe next year on summer to Palawan or Siargao. So as of now,
This is season 1.
Yeah, this is a season 1.
Peace out.